Hello, I'm Sergeant Back Home Willie. A young lady walked up to me the other day and she says, you ever heard of Ben Carson? I said, who is that, Johnny Carson's brother? Literally? He said, no, he's the black guy, the surgeon that's running for the President of the United States. I said, yeah, I heard about him. I said, what's wrong with that boy? He tried when he was about 8 years old, he tried to chase his best friend down and stab him with a knife. I bet you his buddy right now is saying, with friends like that, who needs an enemy, right? And when he was like 10, he tried to chase his mama down with a damn hammer. So I guess it gives new meaning to the song when you hear him singing to himself, if I had a hammer, a hammer in the morning, a hammer in the evening, a hammer at supper time. Now, I think the boy has some loose bolts in his head. But, honey, what is your name? What? I can't hear you. What'd you say?
My name is One-Eyed Jackie. One-Eyed Jackie. One-Eyed Jackie.
One-Eyed Jackie, could you tell me what relationship you have with Ben Carson?
Well, I used to date that boy for a long time, and he was okay, but he was kind of shifty little fella. Well, I didn't trust him really no farther than you could see him. But at night, when we get to bed, I had to sleep with one damn eye open all night. Now, when I got up in the morning, see, I had to go to work, and I would walk around with one eye open because the other damn eye was tired from staying up all night. Now, I don't know what's wrong with that boy, but I guess somebody will figure it out before we go to the White House.
I'm down home Willie. I'm back home Willie. I'm just talking to myself. I'll see you. Wouldn't want to be you.